The next option to create is a question. Asking a question allows the teacher to ask one question and have the students in the entire class give feedback on the answer. The cool thing about questions is that students can't see their peers' answers until they have posted their own answer. So if we ask a question, so if we post the question, tell the class something you've learned about while you've been in quarantine, okay? We can change it from short answer to multiple choice. So in this case, short answer would be the best choice. We can give points or we can make it ungraded. If it's like a circle up question or a class bonding question, we can make it ungraded. You can add a due date just like assignments. We can put it in the topic for the week that we want it. And then down here, students can reply to each other or students can edit their answer. So it kind of depends on what your question is. If you'd like them just to answer and not be able to talk back and forth, then you would uncheck that. If you want them to be able to respond to each other and have that feedback and that classroom discussion, then we would let them respond. Editing their answer, it depends again on what type of question you're asking. If you want to know their first response, then just leave that blank, that they will not be able to edit. If you want them to be able to go back after they've discussed with their peers and adjust their thinking, then let them edit the question. Just like assignments and announcements, we can add resources for our students to use. Okay. And once you're ready, you have the same options for adding the same question to different classes. You can select the students you want to see the question. You can schedule the question for a later date, or you can ask it now. When you're posting a question, the icon will be a question mark, so students know the difference between an assignment and a question being asked. And then everything is under the topic that you want it to be under. Thank you for listening, and as always, if you have questions, please contact your instructional technology specialist.